Who has seen the water turbines in dams? Okay, that's our experiment today. The title of this experiment is water wheel. The objective of this experiment is to make a small water wheel to illustrate how friction can be caused. The supplies we are going to need are as follows. A 5-inch plastic wheel, water, a jug of water, a, a big basin, and a wire. Okay? So I already did the first, the second, the third, and the fourth step, which is first cut a 5-inch circle. This is our 5-inch circle. I cut it from this. It's going to be useless. Then we will cut 4 slits in the cardboard, in the plastic, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1 inch left uncut from the circle. It's up to here. Then we will fold the cardboard along the along the lines. Then we will fold one part of the flap up and the other part down. We will keep on doing it. Then we will make a tiny hole in the middle so that the wire can go in, like that. So we will put it now. Okay, 5. Suspend the wire with the wheel over a bowl, over this basin. Okay, so now we are putting it over the basin and we will pour the water from this. Oh, it's so heavy. Okay, it's not steady. This is getting hard.
There's not much water coming. Pour water doon kung nasan yung flaps. Okay? Can you explain?
Okay, so the water, okay, I'll hold this. As the water comes here, it pushes as it falls on this upward flap, it falls down. Goes to the next flap, next flap, next flap.
Allowing the wheels to
turn.
And what's the significance of the experiment here? What can the application be? What does it show?
It shows us that friction can happen between the wire and the machine and the wheel.
Also, and then what's the significance of using that water wheel? What are you trying to show us?
Okay, so if this water wheel is connected to a turbine, okay, let's say the wire is the turbine, we can produce energy, electricity.
How?
We convert mechanical energy.
No, you illustrate.
Okay, so when the wheel turns like that,
why will the wheel turn?
Because there's water flowing on it.
So the wheel turns, and then what will happen?
Then, as the wheel turns, the mechanical energy of this wheel is transferred to the turbine.
What will the turbine do?
The turbine will produce energy, electricity.
Energy? And that's the one.
That's the one that gives us electricity in the town.
Okay.
And here, the 6th, the wheel may rub against the wire. This rubbing together causes friction. When one object moves over another, friction is always present.
What else?
So we will rub our hands together rapidly. My hands are becoming warm. This is because the warmth is caused by friction between my hands.
And what's the significance of rubbing?
so that we can produce friction.
Ah,
So that we can
you said it felt warm, so you produce
friction.
while rubbing your hands. Your
Heat
hands,
energy.
you produced heat. And how is that good or bad?
It's good
Why?
because if if we rub our hands rapidly and there's heat, that means we can produce a fire by using other objects rubbing together at a high speed so that we can produce a fire. But it's bad in a sense where maybe it can burn up something because in space re-entry there is so much friction between the spaceship and the air in the atmosphere. So things burn up.
Okay.
Thank you.